Doing a soot job, you really should have a lamb's wool, and I apologize, I don't have any today. But you're going to use a lamb's wool. It's kind of like a feather duster, okay? And you're just going to kind of feather dust the soot, okay? And the lamb's wool actually attracts to the soot. So then, what's this called? You guys know what this is called?
Oh, dry cleaning sponge. Huh?
There you go, dry sponge. It's not a chemical sponge. Some guys call it a chem sponge. Don't say chem sponge. It's a soot sponge, a dry sponge. Okay.
Rubbery.
And then, so all we're going to try to do is we're going to try to take off as much soot off as possible. After this, we'd actually HEPA that, and then we're going to clean.
So what's in there?
This is Wall Wash and Tabac Attack.
No water?
Oh yeah, just water. It's a mixture. Yeah. Now, you're not going to take the staining out, especially on a fire job or a soot job. But I'm not worried about that. What are you worried about?
The odor.
The odor. That's what you're getting paid for. Because after I clean this, right, what am I going to do with it? I'm going to primer and paint over it. So I don't really care about the staining. David, you get paid to remove the odor, right? So go ahead and smell that. Smell good? It's not overwhelming,
It smells like Windex.
right?
Oh,
It's not
is there
overwhelming.
ammonia in it?
Wall Wash does
mild,
not
very
have
mild.
ammonia in it.
Smells like
Degree
Windex.
salt
Yeah.
has ammonia
I
in it.
knew one of them.
Okay.
Very light.
So this would be a cabinet, a dresser, something like that. Again, we would usually typically use a lamb's wool, and then we'll use the dry sponge, right? And then we'll do some cleaning again. Now, I would personally recommend using a foamant sprayer than doing a bucket. I can cover more square footage, and I use a third less chemicals, okay?
You never wash the sponge out, do you? Just toss it when it gets...
Yeah, you'll just
Right.
eventually.
Cut it in squares
Yeah.
and dump it.
Now, another thing you can use is the WoodCraft
That's right.
restoration cleaner. This is for fiberglass, wood, wood floors. This is a gel, okay? I had a customer just buy some antique furniture, and he used this to clean the antique wood. He says, John, it makes it look brand new when we're done. So we're going to gel, and we're going to use a steel wool Ot 4. So on the packaging, it's going to have 4 zeros. Okay?
Oh, yeah, that's
So Ot 4,
safe.
and all we're going to do is go with the grain. If it was a little more, really soiled, we'll go with the grain and use this. This is actually not bad already. And then after we're done, we'll put a little Murphy's oil on it. But this works really good with hardwood floors, dressers, cabinets, so on and so forth. Okay. And then the last one is some exposed wood. So let's say Becky's kitchen caught on fire. We couldn't save the drywall. It's just damage. It's beyond repair. So we've got smoke damage on the exposed wood. So again, lamb's wool, use the soot sponge. Look at that. That's pretty good.
That's quite treated too. So
We haven't even applied any chemical on it, and where you've gotten a lot of that soot out. Again, I would recommend using foamant sprayer. I'm not really worried about the staining. Why am I not worried about the staining?
it's prime and thing.
Because I'm going to put drywall over it. I'm not even going to see it, right? This is the 2x4s and
Oh,
exposed wood, right? And then we'll wipe it, and then we're good to
A
go.
lot of restoration companies really don't do smoke damage. Because sometimes I've been in places where it's done, you can still smell it a little bit.
Yeah.
They don't do it properly.
Yeah.
Still there's speed to it.
So
Still
you
there
can.
a little bit.
This is a lot. There's a lot of money in this. So let's go ahead and have a seat,
A lot of hours.
and I'm going to show you.